Welcome to the stream. We'll start in a second to share my screen. Sorry for the echo. Gonna share my screen with the newest updates. So basically, if you go to my Twitter account and let me put myself small in the corner. If you go to my Twitter account, you can now see that my bio contains links to all the landing pages of our products. Hey Dev, what's up, Chad? What's good? Hello, Mandy. I've updated my bio with all these landing pages for our products. These are new. I just built these landing pages today. So go to my bio, give them a read, tell me what you think. It's basically just so we have something that people can click on and we can collect emails from interested people that want to sign up potentially for these products, right? And these pages also contain info about what we're gonna do. And I hope that through this, our message is much cleaner. It's much it's much simpler to understand what we are doing. People can just click these links and read about what we plan to do. And I just want to show you what these links are. So basically the first link besides Turbine is a new landing page that describes what our browser does, what kind of like the goals are, how we want to reward people that use the browser, be it users or developers. And that's basically it. It's just very simple landing pages, And then if you click the second the second new link, you get to this page, which is something that I haven't even talked about yet, but something I really want to do, and I think it could have enormous impact for developers that develop open source projects and are looking for a way to finance them. And at the same time, traders that are looking for novel projects, right? So the way I imagine this to work is basically you can search for an NPM package and then launch a token for the NPM package or invest into the NPM package. And this is great because it directly ties investments to usable assets, which are software. And developers of these packages can claim the tokens and get fees to fund their operations or to just get rewarded for their work. And the thing is that many developers are very opinionated about what frameworks they use. So this is also a way for developers to put their money where their code is. This, I think, a funny slogan, but basically developers can invest into their convictions, right? And like I said, this kind of connects two things, right? On the one hand, we have developers that develop high quality software. And on the other hand, we have traders who are looking for high quality investments. And if we put them together, we get a new way of financing software. And I think this could be really, really cool. And obviously, I envision to launch it first with NPM packages, but it could just as well launch with any other software package or software, software library. We could eventually even get to the point with launching tokens for GitHub repositories. I think this is just kind of like, I want to create a way to for developers to get paid, but also I want to create a way for developers to get metrics on how their software is actually adopted. And this is kind of where the Utopia browser will work together with the trading platform, and the trading platform will work together with Turbine also. And then, it may look like this, that we have JavaScript packages in Turbine that we add to the browser native supply chain. Then those packages get added to the browser, right? And then whenever these things are used within the browser, the trading platform gets updated with this data, and traders can see, oh, this package, it actually gets used a lot. And basically, I just want people to be able to invest into their packages or into their favorite packages. And then we can also, include these packages in the browser and track their adoption and make them ultra efficient by having them in the browser, right? So I'm just looking for ways to monetize the ecosystem that we are building in smart ways, and in ways that we connect the traders with the traders. Because the blockchain world, yes, the blockchain world is mostly populated by traders. And yes, we are trying to provide tools for developers and build really good software, but that alone is not, so fitting to the Solana ecosystem. So I'm really looking to provide a value for the Solana ecosystem, and the Solana ecosystem is mostly made up of traders. There are also a lot of developers in the Solana ecosystem, but a lot of mostly traders. And if we can find a way to, get both of them on a platform where the one group is developing really good software and the other group is investing in really good software, then we can create a synergy. And I imagine this kind of becoming like the pump fun of developers. Because yes, we all like meme coins, and I launched my coin on a meme coin platform, and it's all great, right? And on a meme coin platform, we can invest into stupid jokes or celebrities or anything that is going on in the world, and that is pretty cool and really exciting. I think meme coins are great. But what is also interesting to me is like, how can we invest into technology, right? And get these developers that are putting in work, unpaid work, how can we get them paid, right? So I think this could be a way. And I'm really optimistic about making this real. Yeah, and I'm gonna put in a lot of work to make this real. And I hope that all of you understand how early we are, but how big this could be and how much impact this could be for people, you know. Um, that's basically why I'm doing this, right? To connect developers and traders on the platform that creates a better technology world, a better technology ecosystem. So I hope all of you understand this move, and are with me on this. And yeah, I think it's going to be super exciting, guys. I'm super excited to build this and to give it to people. And I can't wait to see people fight over which JavaScript platform is the best, or which JavaScript packages are the best. I can't wait for people to invest into their convictions and make money with that, because I see Mert posting about React, and I think he's totally wrong, right? But I can't prove it if I don't have data. And if I have the data that shows, okay, people love React and they want to invest in it also, then it's kind of, Mert can't talk shit anymore. And Mert, if you're watching this, I don't like you. No, you're all good, Mert, if you're watching this. But I'm just trying to get money into the hands of the developers that are doing a lot of work and maybe having trouble monetizing it, maybe having trouble finding a way to finance it, and launching a token for your technology, for your software, doesn't mean that you're selling equity, or it doesn't mean that you need a company. You're not committing to anything. You're literally just getting rewards from the convictions that people have, and you're just getting rewards for the work that you already did, or that you are going to do. So you're not committing to a roadmap, you're not committing to daily commits. You are just getting rewards for open source software. And I think this could be, like I said, really great and really big. And I would love to make it real and help people make their bags. So yeah, I'm gonna continue trying to get motion on Twitter, and tomorrow I will work on the browser again and work on other marketing material. But yeah, I'm really happy where we are going now, and I think this is great. And I will have to update the roadmap again. So after the stream is over, I will post and announce the new roadmap. All right. Okay, guys. Love y'all. See you tomorrow. All right. Have a great evening, or a great night, or a great day. Bye.